Hello, this is our HPEDM supervised for using a WEDM machine. Our part number is D5-155, and this Vise compatible systems are supervised -293.6HP perfectly. The material was made of high quality stainless steel. Check it. It was using on the water. And the accuracy, surface accuracy is very high, up to 2 micron. This Vise for clipping round workpiece from diameter 1.5 to 1.55 millimeters. How to operate it? It was used on the leveling depth here, like this. Say at 272 HP or 262 HP. I will show you just very simple how to adjust, operate it. Here, this is a model round workpiece. Yes, and generally you need to use hex torque 8 mm to here, but the tightening torque suggests within 10 mm. Yes. First, you use this, put it like this. Yeah, this leveling adapter needed the rear here. Yeah, this is just a simple operation. When you operate it, it need to use to adjust the precision on a marble stone. Yes, like this. Use this Vise must use on the leveling depth. And here can be used on different round workpiece. Like this one, diameter is 6.8 millimeters. Max size up to 155 millimeters, and the min size is 15 millimeters. Yeah, I will show you. Just use the wrench. It's quick. Yes, put the yeah, it's very tight now. Check it. Like this. It's very easy. And we can give you very good price for the supervise. Save much cost for you. Warranty to 1 year. Welcome to inquire. Our website is www.cncedmtool.com. Thank you.